Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another exciting tutorial with UXmate. Today, we're going to explore the image generation feature of ChatGPT. As a designer, you must understand how to use the ChatGPT to create creative images that will support you. If you are not going to use generative AI, then it will definitely replace you. Not the AI, but someone who is using the AI to speed up their work, to boost their workflows, to enhance their workflows, will definitely replace you. So I would like to let everyone know that we should not treat AI as an enemy of the artist or enemy of the designer, but it should be the assistant. Without any further delay, today I'm going to explore sketch to image generation or sketch to final art generation. So here I am in ChatGPT, and in the free version it has some restrictions to create the number of images per day. If you have a paid subscription, you can create unlimited images. So I recently have got the plus subscription of the ChatGPT. Okay, so here I am in the ChatGPT. First, I'll go to this three dot menus and I'll select the create image prompt, because that will instruct ChatGPT that the prompt which I'm giving is basically to create an image. Okay, now let me quickly go to my Photoshop, and you can see very very simple, very messy sketch I have created a stone wall, some water flowing here, some grass, just to let it know, okay, this is what I am imagining. And not necessarily it would generate the same composition, but more or less it will give us a similar sort of elements in our image, and we can then adjust the camera angles and all. So I'll quickly paste this image here and I'll give it a prompt. Hey, I want to make a 3D rendered high quality cinematic environment be background scene from the attached image. Use cinematic lighting. Don't worry, guys, I will give this prompt in the description of the video, and a link to all other videos where you can use the generative AI or AI in your UI UX design workflow as well. So let's submit this prompt and let ChatGPT work on it. It will take some time, around depending on the server load. It generally takes around 2 to 7 minutes. I have seen sometimes it has did it very quickly within a minute or two. Sometimes it have taken almost 7 to 8 minutes to generate the image. But let's see how it creates the cool environment background for us from the sketch. And you can look at the sketch quality I have. It is very basic, very simple, just a concept sketch. What are the elements which I want in my design or I want in my environment scene. And now let ChatGPT do this for us, and you can see it has already started creating this scene for us. Okay, I can see the quality here of the textures of the light. I guess it has created a sunset sort of scene for us. Wow, it has already started looking good. And imagine, guys, you can use this to create awesome thumbnails for your YouTube videos, awesome book covers, a lot of possibilities it has opened for us. You can use this, upscale the image, boost the resolution of this. Look at this, guys. Look at the grass quality, and if you have to do this in Blender, it would take at least 24 to 48 hours to create such sort of detailed image inside Blender, but it has created it within the minutes. Now, I would not say you go ahead and take this as a final output or a final production level output of your image, but basically you can use it for a reference. You can use it for as your starting point. You can use it to generate the ideas for the logo, for your any creative project, for your commercial art, and you can create awesome use cases around this image generation possibility of the ChatGPT, and it has have this paint or selection tool where you can select the areas of the image, and you can tell it, okay, I don't want this, or I want this, and we can describe the selection, and we can say okay, just add this or that, and whatever we want basically. So let's try adding a sun somewhere here, because light is coming from this direction. So I'll select this portion somewhere here, and I'll describe what I want. So I'll say, can we have a sun sitting here? And let's see how it creates. Now you can see it has started rendering the image. Okay, and let's see if it has added the sun, and if it has changed any lighting or anything in the image. I guess so. It has added the sun here, and based on the sun position you can look at the change in the light. Earlier sun was away from the edge, or from the boundaries, but now sun is inside it, and then based on the direction of the sun you can look at the change in the lighting, and how it has created this amazing looking artwork for us. So guys, this is just one use case, and you can create unlimited use cases around the image generation of the ChatGPT. So I'll let you guys write down in the comment, what do you think about the ChatGPT image generation capability and how you would use it in your upcoming project. Let me know in the comments so everyone can take inspiration from your comments and use the ChatGPT to create awesome artworks around the creative industry we have. So yeah, till the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing, and make sure you have already subscribed to the channel. If not, then do it right now and hit that like button for me. Okay guys, let's catch up in the next video.